In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Zoom meeting. By the end, you'll be able to get into your meeting quickly and confidently without scrambling at the last minute. All you need is your meeting ID, a stable internet connection, and a web browser or the Zoom app. Start by going to the Zoom website. Open your browser and type zoom.com into the address bar, then press Enter. This takes you to Zoom's homepage, where you'll see options like Sign In, Host, and Join. If you already have the Zoom desktop or mobile app installed, you can open that instead. The process is the same, but using the website works perfectly for a quick join. On the Zoom homepage, click the Join button. It's usually at the top of the page and clearly labeled. This opens a simple page that's dedicated to joining a meeting. If you're on the app, you'll see a similar Join button on the main screen. The next steps are identical. Next, enter the meeting ID. This is a 9 to 11-digit code your host shared with you, often found in a calendar invite or email. Type it carefully, or copy and paste it to avoid typos. If you see hyphens in the invite, you can leave them out. Zoom knows how to handle that. You may also see a field to enter your display name. Use the name you want others to see in the meeting. If your host provided a passcode, keep it handy. You might be asked for it right after you submit the meeting ID. When you're ready, click Join. Depending on your setup, you may be prompted to open the Zoom app or continue in your browser. Both are normal. Choose the option you prefer. You could be placed in a waiting room if the host enabled it. Just sit tight and you'll be admitted when the host is ready. Once the meeting window opens, Zoom might ask for permission to use your microphone and camera. Allow access if you plan to speak or be on video, or leave your camera off if you prefer. If you're not hearing anything, check that your speakers are selected and your volume is up. If you run into errors, double-check the meeting ID and try again, making sure there are no extra spaces. If the Join button seems unresponsive, refresh the page and re-enter the code. And if the host hasn't started the meeting yet, you may see a message to wait. That's completely normal. That's it. Go to Zoom, click Join, enter the meeting ID, and click Join again. You're all set to connect smoothly and on time.